Hello guys, welcome back to LenApp. For today's video, here we're going to show you or discuss with you how to add AI chatbot to Wix website. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go ahead and click on the sign site at your dashboard here on Wix, and you want to go ahead and add an app. So in order for you to use AI chatbots here, you need to install an app, which is installing one is pretty easy. So what you need to do is you want to go to the left panel here. So this might take a while to prepare the website. But again, at the left side here, there are going to be a bunch of buttons here. So you want to go to Add Apps button, which is a Foursquare compilation or Foursquare's Windows icon here. You want to go to Search Apps and just type in chat, press Enter. It's going to give you a lot of results here, but what we want to add is going to be Wix AI site chat, or you can even just use the Wix chat option here. Now, in this case, I've already installed this, but typically speaking, you just click on it and you want to go ahead and basically click on install here. But once you've installed that, you could go ahead and go to business here and you want to go to left side and you want to go ahead and go to Wix chat. From here, you could go ahead and start setting things up. So you can go to Go settings here and you can set this up. So for example, you could go ahead and basically go to your chat form here, manage pre-chat form, like automations, like if you want to add like automated responses. So in this case, you can create a greeting here. You can go ahead and reply to chat messages sent by visitors. You go and click on create, and that should give you another window here, which allows you to set that up. Now, in this case, you might need to do some setup here. Like for example, what's the trigger? What's the response is going to be? You can add additional steps just in case they ask additional questions. But yeah, so in this case, that's how you actually create a chatbot here. Obviously, you need to set this up yourself. There are going to be a lot of things that you need to do here, like what's the message going to be. What's the what's the trigger here? What's the conditions, the delay? What action you could do here? But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LenUp. Thank you for watching.